Hello everyone, welcome to the Wix Sticky Header tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create a sticky header on Wix.com. For that, what you need to do is go to log in or sign up on Wix.com using a password, and what appears on your screen next is your dashboard. Now select a site. If you don't have any, you need to go to create a new site. But since I already have one, I am simply going to click on my available site. This is the design site that is going to appear. It might take about 2 to 3 minutes. It is actually because of all the features that are completely secured on Wix. And I don't mind waiting because the wait is worth it. And yeah, you see, this is actually preparing my site. Again, if you don't have any, you need to create a new site. Now this is the header. Move to the header scroll settings. Here you see the option to scroll with site. You have the option to freeze it. You also have the option to disappear or fade out. So this is what the header is going to do when you are going to scroll your website down. This is where you're going to preview it because I have chose the frozen option. Let's just scroll down. You see there is a button option on my header and it is not moving because it is freeze. It is fixed. Now, if you don't have a website, just go to create new site, and from there you are going to, I'm quickly doing this process because I don't want you guys to get confused or go to some other video to check out how to create a new site. I am skipping all these processes. All these steps. You are going to choose these options according to your preferences. They're going to ask you the website name. Edit a website name here. Skipping it. You can also add your goals here. You can also add the Wix apps. There are Wix apps. You can also skip it or continue. Continue to the dashboard. Now, this is mostly for the viewers who are the new users and they are new or newbies to the Wix. Now just pick a template or generate a design. I'm going to pick a template. Very easy. Hundreds of templates on Wix. You can choose any of them according to what is in your mind. You don't have to bound yourself or you don't have to start anything from the scratch. Let's just choose any simple template which actually has a visible header. I'm going to choose, I get very confused when I come here because there are so many options. I love Wix. It is free. Most of the things are free and it is very easy to use. Each of the feature is available. And the only thing I don't like is waiting. But since I told you guys that most of the features are completely secured and it takes time to prepare the site and add elements, so I don't mind that either. So let's just let my Wix prepare my site, and here you go. Now you see there is a header. Let's just skip it. Yeah. So you guys see there's a header. I'm going to zoom it in. This is the header. What I'm going to do is go to the settings again. Here you see the option of scrolling with the site or freezing. I am going to choose the scroll with the site. Now you see that when we preview it, what difference does it make? Does it scroll when we scroll down? Yes, look, the header disappears when we scroll. But let's just move to here. So cool. Just go back to the editor again and go to the settings. After the settings, choose the freezes. Here, now we preview it. I'm just trying to show you guys the difference where the header fixes to the website header, and here you see it is fixed to the screen even when we scroll down or we scroll up. Now we're going back to the editor. So now let's just check this out on the mobile too, because you see most of the websites the people are viewing are on the mobiles. So this is how it's going to appear on the mobile. Let's just go to the settings again. Here you see there's an option of scroll with the side. I'm going to choose freezes. You are going to help it freeze so that when we scroll it, it is simply going to freeze. This is how, you see in phone it does not make much difference because you have to scroll down the screen. But since this is how, yeah, look, this is actually, this is fixed to the screen and it is not moving even when we scroll down the website. You see, it was very easy. You only have to go create a new site or have already a new site. Then after that, what you're going to do is go to the settings of the header and you're going to choose the option of fixing the header to the site. I have explained the video in full detail as much as possible as I could explain. I have done that. I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. I don't want the confusion. Thank you so much, guys.